This is GoPro Hero 8 on my hand. This is the one of the best action camera out there, and it is also good camera for blogging, take self video. So this internal camera is also good, but sometimes in some situation we need better quality audio that capture our audio or voice. So for that, Rode has a better options. It is newly launched Rode Wireless Me. So I'm going to testing out that its combinations work well or not. So just I'm going to record fast video with this GoPro Hero 8, and after that I'm going to record using Rode Wireless Me. So you can understand the difference between without Wireless Me or with Wireless Me. This is Anis. Welcome back to another video. If you need my channel, please consider subscribe and hit the bell icon for my latest update. If you did already, thank you so much. So let's get started. So right now I am recording with the GoPro Hero 8 with internal microphone. I think you will understand the difference between the sound, and I'm not using right now the Wireless Me on this GoPro Hero 8. So just I'm going to connect this right now. So right now I'm connecting Rode Wireless Me on the Hero 8 Black, so you can hear my voice through the Rode Wireless Me. So you can understand the difference between the wireless using Hero 8 Black with internal microphone. After that, Rode Wireless Me. So what do you think about these combinations? I think it is good for blogger who create self video. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video.